Hey, what's going on, folks? Mark, Deluxe Motorsports, back here on the YouTube. Today we got a video on this 2014 Ford F-150. This is a King Ranch, four-wheel drive, 3.5 EcoBoost. This truck is in fabulous condition inside and out. Just over 94,000 miles. It is an absolute rust-free truck as well. It's been leveled on a set of Cooper Discover AT3s. AT3s? Yeah, AT3. Let's go. Anyway, you guys can see the shot of the frame. The frame's in gorgeous shape. We have a couple small little spots to touch up. You know, here and there, there's a couple little small nicks. There's one little scratch there. It's lighter than it looks, but you look down the body lines of this truck. No waves in the paint, all factory OEM paint down the driver's side. Hood's in really good shape, no peeling, nothing like that. Bumper, really good shape as well. Again, a couple small little things will get touched up. There's a little spot right there in the front bumper, a little nick right there. There's a couple of them. So, I mean, folks, 12-year-old truck, extremely good shape. Like I said, a good set of Coopers. They have every bit of probably 75% tread left, so tons and tons of tread left. And down the passenger side, look at the paint down the passenger side. Absolutely, I mean, she reflective, man. Look at that. Look at that. Got the King Ranch floor mats. Interior leathers, great shape. Factory sunroof. It's got heated back seats. No, it's got the big power outlet. It's got the big power outlet for your wife's hair, for her little hair dryer. Again, 3.5 EcoBoost. You start it up, absolutely zero cam phaser noise. Somebody's meticulously maintained this truck for sure. It's got some good service history. Everything about the truck definitely shows that somebody cared for it. So, rolling lock, sliding metal bed cover. Those things cost, you know, 15, 16, 1,800 bucks this day and age, if not a couple grand. As you guys can see, frame is in nearly perfect shape. Driver's side leather, excellent. We'll go to the driver's side. Front seat, you got the memory seats, you got the full power, you got the lumbar. It's like that right there's like 98 adjustable ways to adjust your seat. Got the power steer control right here. Okay, come on now, 94,167,000 miles. Factory nav, like I said, heated seats, cooled seats. Center console's in really good shape. A little bit of wear right here on the leather, pretty typical for this year. Choosing Texas, I can tell. All right, anyway, mechanically, cosmetically, everything operates the way it's supposed to. Sunroof, all of that type of thing. If I leave the truck on too long, we'll probably run out of gas, but let me give you guys a shot of the engine bay real quick. It is like 90-some degrees outside. I've had this truck idling for a while, so the fan's kind of loud at the moment. Can't get the damn thing. Come on. There we go. Oh, look at the engine bay. Come on now, look at the engine bay. We don't really detail the engine bays either. These are pretty much, we don't get to shooting a bunch of water up in there. Anyway. Clean title, clean history. Nothing. I can't really say anything negative about it. It drives like a new one. Everything's pretty much factory except for the leveling kit. Again, if you guys have any questions, I'm gonna turn it off because this thing legitimately is about to run out of gas. I left it idling for like 10 minutes while I was stuck inside with a customer. Steering wheel shows like little to no wear, which is really nice for a 90,000 mile truck. Anyway, if this truck's for you, if you guys got any questions, make sure you guys give us a call direct. We ship nationwide, so if you guys want this truck shipped to your doorstep, we have extremely good pricing on shipping. Call us direct if you have any questions, 843-697-7501. You can go to the website direct, deluxemotorsports.com. We are a specialty lifted truck dealership in the Charleston, South Carolina area. That's what we do on a daily basis. We are full sales, parts, and service. I have a full service department, parts department. We build trucks like that for the public on the daily. So if there's anything specific you guys have questions about, over 55 lifted trucks in stock. So give us a call. If this one's not for you, tag a buddy. If it is, give us a call. Either way, until next time, next video, it's your boy Mark right here, Deluxe Motorsports.